Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen, and I wish you the best cooking and baking. Today I am making cinnamon rolls. So when you're starting, then you have to sift your flour, make sure your flour gets fluffy. Start to put the dry ingredients first. Show, salt, pinch, dry yeast, sugar. I mix this. Then I can add 1 egg whipped. The slightly melted butter too. And I will finish this in a mixer. Okay, I can add the water, 1 cup of water, but the recipe will be on the YouTube site. So you can find it under Show More on YouTube. Okay, see you later after it's mixed in a mixer. So if you see your dough is a little bit soft, then add 1 tablespoon of flour at a time. But don't do so many, because then if it gets too hard, it won't turn out good. 1 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of regular sugar, és 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. You can make this ahead. I'm making the vanilla and cream cheese toppings, and you have to pour the powdered sugar and mix it well with the melted butter, and you can add the cream cheese to it and mix it well and add a little vanilla, and you mix it until you like the consistency. Before baking, I like to prepare my pan. Sometimes you can really make it, let it rise, the dough, and then you do this. But I like to do it this way. It works for me and would work for you too. But you have to watch the steps. So you roll it out like 1/2 inch. Okay, now with the melted butter I will baste it. Make sure my cinnamon can stick to it. Yeah, you can play with that. It's fun. Okay. Let me just clean my hand. Okay. So you can do it with spoon, like spread it. But for me, it's much easier if I touch it. So if you don't like to touch nothing, then you put the glove on and do it that way, or you do it your way. I am showing you basics, and you work with it if you want to. My site is for beginners. I like to watch basically everything, because you pick up one thing from somebody and it's help you in cooking or baking. I think it's a good idea, but everything is up to you. Okay? What I like to do, roll it to me. You have to use this. Okay, and let me see, make sure you can see something here. The first of the ends I like to cut off, because not so many in it. And then you can measure it if you want to. I take one, twist it, and I show you how good that looks. I place it here, but then if I try to, you will see how I do it, and then you can just follow directions. another one. Really look, don't put it close to each other because this has to rise up. I wish you guys tried to make it. And then right now I will cover it and wait until it doubles in size. Okay, I cover and I put it in a warm place. Every dough what has yeast, you have to put it in the warmer place because otherwise won't rise up. After 45 minutes, rolls up and now goes in the oven for 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. And that's when I put the foil on top for 5 more minutes. And that way it doesn't get too brown. So it looks when it's done with the top topping, and I hope you make it. I already had to try it and it's delicious.